Hey friends, Peter Faciano here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be like a quick little update. About a month and a half ago, my M6 Mark II broke and I had to send it back to Canon. I just got it back about a day ago. The front shutter release button and the front dial, when you don't move it to change the settings, but when you just barely touch it, it would change the shutter speed directly into bulb mode. Or if you barely touch it, it turns the menu system on in the back. So this happened to me while I was shooting the Versus videos with the M6 Mark II and the R6. And I thought it was just me bumping it by mistake. But what ended up happening is I ended up sending it back to Canon. I talked to somebody online. I did not have their Canon Care protection plan, so it wasn't covered. So I highly suggest if you guys are able to get one of those care packages for warranty, I would get it. I have it on the R5 and the R6 and all of the other lenses that I just picked up. I sent it back to Canon. They sent me a letter that said that it's not covered under warranty and they're just going to replace the M6 Mark II. So they shipped me a refurbished camera. It ended up costing me $343.12. And now that I have it back, I realized how much I really missed the camera. Before it broke and before I sent it back, I used it every single day. I live stream as a teacher because of the whole pandemic. For the past year and a half, I've been at home teaching rather than at my school. And this thing has been a workhorse for me. So I'm happy to have it back. And also to give you guys an update, I'm pretty much done with the comparison videos. I'm pretty much done with the camera settings and the functions. Now what I would like to do is venture outside and actually show you guys how I'm actually using the camera. I'm doing some wildlife. I'm doing birding. I just got a Tragopan V6 hide. So if you guys don't know, I have an Instagram account just under my name, Peter Faciano. I'm trying to get better at my landscape photography. So I haven't posted anything there just yet. But my wildlife, some animals, but mainly birds, I want to take that next step and try to increase my quality of photos. So go ahead and stick around with me. If you guys like this video, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Give me a like, turn on that bell notification. And again, this is just a quick update, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, and if anybody's still here, I'm shooting this at an 8K RAW on the R5. Let me know what it looks like. See you guys in the next one. Bye.